morning. We're back here in the underbuild. Remember some of this project? Yeah, we laid the floor, that's sorted. And we're now laying, there's a flat white tile here, 60 by 20. We've got a wave tile there, 60 by 20. We've got some glass mosaics going up in between each one of these tiles at 60 centimetres. And then we've got this glazed blue-green going around the shower area. And again, a white flat tile here, again with mosaics going up, which will be symmetrical with the opposite side. The issue we had originally when we came here was the floor. The floor was out of line by about 2 centimetres. For example, now I've got my laser level here, and if you look between that edge, that's 2 centimetres difference to where I go across to the top of the tile here. So we're going to install a bar system here now to get the second row. So we're leaving this tile off, and we will be laying a bar system with some legs so we can start the tiling one tile up, and then all these individual ones will have to be cut, because if I had to adjust the flooring, I'd have had to brought this area up here by the doorway by 2 centimetres to get a flat floor. But the client wanted to proceed without that because it would make a big difference to the bedroom area that we're going to be renovating. So yes, we have to set this up properly, screw some beads on, and you'll see the progress as we get along. Enjoy your day, whatever you're doing, guys. Take care.